In this video, I'll guide you through how to refer friends to Sofi and earn bonuses. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. To kick things off, the first thing you need to do is open your Sofi app or head over to the Sofi website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This is your gateway to accessing all the features Sofi offers, including the ones we'll be focusing on today. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Refer and Earn or Rewards section. This is where all the magic happens. In this section, you'll find your unique referral link. This link is your ticket to earning bonuses, so go ahead and copy it. This part is crucial because this link is personalized just for you and is how Sofi tracks your referrals. Now that you have your referral link, it's time to share it. You can send this link to your friends or family through various channels like messaging apps, email, or even social media. Choose whichever method you find most convenient. The key here is to reach out to people you think would benefit from Sofi's services. When someone signs up using your referral link, they'll need to open a Sofi checking and savings account. But there's one more step they need to take. To ensure you both earn your bonuses, they must fund their new account with at least $50 within the required time frame. This step is essential, so make sure to communicate this clearly to anyone you refer. Once all these requirements are met, you'll receive a bonus as a thank you for the referral. Plus, your friend may also earn a reward, which is a nice little perk for them as well. It's a win-win situation for both parties involved. Keep in mind that Sofi may offer different referral bonuses for their other products, such as loans, credit cards, or investing products. So it's a good idea to stay updated on any new opportunities they might roll out. And that's it. That's how to refer friends to Sofi and earn bonuses. It's a simple and rewarding process that benefits both you and those you care about. Thanks for watching and happy referring.